Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and this is my newest project, and I call it Flying Machine. It's done in the industrial style, and by the way, it's also going to be the next tutorial on my new YouTube channel. And you untie it here, and this one wraps around. And this is the dial to open up our flying machine, and we open it up. And there's ephemera here. This is a writing card. And the rest of this is ephemera. And on here is the nameplate, and it says travel to anywhere. Here's our pilot of our flying machine looking through his little cockpit there. Then we open it this way, and there's a tuck spot with some ephemera. There's also a place for a card, and it's actually got a little booklet in here. And this over here, this kit is by Victoria Designs, and the butterfly has the bolted down #1 as its body, and I really love these two pictures. Okay, so then we close it back this way, and then it opens this way, and you have some more ephemera in a tuck spot here, and then you open it like this, and you have ephemera in this pocket with our pilot again. And then when you open this side over here, there's a writing card in here, and then it opens further, and there's our blue butterfly and our gears for our flying machine. There's a big long writing card in here. When it's pushed in here, you can see Our Lady peeking out. There's also a very large writing card in here, and it's backed with the writing lines, and it's a very tight, narrow pocket. And then you close this back up, and over here you have a side pocket with two more very large writing cards. And then this opens like this, and you have a notepad that comes out. And on this side over here, we have another blue butterfly and another writing card that comes out here, and I really like this card. And then when you open this way, there's a little Velcro dot that holds it. And then we have some more gears and controls. And then we have 3 pieces of ephemera here that say Fly Away World. And everything on here is very, very important. And inside here is another ginormous writing card backed with coffee stained paper. So then this closes back this way, and there's more. Then it opens this way. Here's our big gauge to measure our pressure so we don't overdo our big flying machine. Another giant coffee stained writing card. And then over here is ephemera. One of them is our dial. And then we have 2 more flying machines. This is a bookmark. And this here I made as a collage. We have our pocket with our pilot. And a blue butterfly. Then this opens like this. And we have another blue butterfly and another pilot and another place to write. Then over here we have some more air machines and writing cards. Oh, this is a side tuck. I apologize. This is my own little pocket deal here. It's a side tuck plus a pocket. Sorry about that. There's so many things, even I get confused. And there's another dial. And then when you open this up, these are all of the gears and tools and buttons and things to control our flying machine. And then on the back, we have the back cover with our pilot and industrial. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the tutorial. And I had a lot of fun making this. And no, I'm not making a second one for the tutorial. As usual, this is it. This is the tutorial and the finished book. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next flip through and the next tutorial. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.